Yes, country people for outside there. Now nothing the way it happen for outside we country. And for we number one place, country people, this one it come on for that side for Ivory Coast. As we today way it enter we here, it tell we say Prime Minister for Ivory Coast, Patrick Achille, it then now so now for hospital for that side for France. As he says he get serious heart problem. Now the parliament sabi say this country says it don't change more than 2 prime ministers them only inside 1 year, and just now this one he says is sick. Now say now hot seat day. Oh now what did it happen? Why this country it go now this kind of style? Eh? But that's what we see for that side for Ivory Coast people the two difficult as Cote d'Ivoire where it there for that side for West Africa. Now we own country inside Africa here where we see where we prime minister for that side they don't send it right for France because they I'm not sure say these people they do things where they're supposed to do, because why you go see this kind of sick, this kind of strong sick, they send for France where we get hospital the way when I say the bill and when the boss for when citizen they say when I get correct hospital where they treat all things. Part them for village, how they who side they go fly their own go. But I think that we see for that side for Cote d'Ivoire as how this man in condition, he critical, so they don't take it good now for that side for France. We say big Asia for what people them for Ivory Coast, and we say make una make sure say. Me wanna continue to pray. Say me God, he help for the man or with daddy. Me say he hook up for cheers. I be say daddy that's all. He did now 65 years old. I mean he's still young, and he get plenty time for rule. That means say he get plenty time where if he help the nations them. We pray say me God give him long life so that me come back and he continue for the help in nation. That means say make it go before we come up for this one now Kakangungum. Where this one it happen for that side for Israel. Israel and Pakistan don't decide say why to lie they don't decide they want finish each other. Where did it happen for international scene? Now country people now the picture than this. Mama Joe, I would like to make you open this picture them. Yes, me my people they see them. Now down that way only bumping, Now town and that only bumping where it happen for that side. They call that town say Gaza, where it is for that side for Pakistan, where only bumping, serious bumping. So the 83 people don't sleep straight, including 17 picking the way they did for that side. For that they don't sleep straight, and they talk say, may they stop. We travel say, may they stop this kind of war. Where it be this? Where did it happen? We even get image on that side where we see how we bomb them, mixers them. Where Pakistan says it fire them back for that side for Israel, but Israel gets its own small defense where it is stop them. No, we just see them. We gonna see them. This one will be fireworks. This one says now serious bumping where it go on, but true people that they fight them back. Mama Joe, if that image be ready, I go like say make you show my people. May they see what the way I they talk about. They see and so no be fireworks so country people now bomb them that way if it destroy place where it dey like the whole Morocco now that bomb them so all that in the so now bomb them that, and where these people Israel too and Pakistan they fight them. Sabi say they launch more than 1,500 rockets there only for go destroy Israel. Hey babe, not be war they start so not be a small war they start. Would they just beg na beg? Maybe they try to stop this kind of thing. Now way it never overgo far. May not include the whole world so that people no go over die plenty. Would they just beg na beg? Say may they stop this kind of thing. All will be one. All will fit to come. Sabi say for Israel we big population for that side. It be composed plenty now for Jews and Christian them. Why for Pakistan? Now Muslim them they mostly plenty for they. But when did it happen? Why these two religions they want kill themselves? Why una want just kill una self? I beg country people, make una take them easy. Una learn from all the good people the way they don't happen for outside there. All this peace talk the way they get them. Una try this peace talk them, sort this thing out. Make we see how we country and the West except it go work before. Because in this place, na peaceful place, not a place for we can fight, na place for we can see how we except we feel work together for make sure say all things it work before. We come out for day, we don't talk we own, we will fit, we come out, we leave that one. We enter that side for US, I be say US except United States of America. If you don't be in that place where corona don't hold them for neck as how they be done the top leak. For corona cases and where you get them, but just now as they vaccinate them, so I be say now 2 doses of corona vaccine the day. When you don't take the 2 doses, you bad fine. As they don't vaccinate them, they don't talk say, okay, that means a time for open all thing down, all thing on the reach. That means a time for them for open their border them and open workplace them. So I say they don't lock all these place them. They don't reach and they don't open this place them. But new corona law don't talk say only people where they don't vaccinate them and where they be sure say they not get this virus again or they not get chance to get this virus again. Now then where they go live and may they go work. So people where they get this virus, may they not go to spread them again, continue. So if you want to go work, you need to take this vaccine or you need to make sure say you don't take something where it not go help again for the promote this virus, they go further. As I say, workplace and not the open and plenty other places they don't employ people. So I say Amazon, where it did for that side for America, it don't employ more than 100 people only inside this week where it passed, and they talk say they go for employ plenty again. Other big company them, they did that side, they strive for employ plenty other people. They go before, but I think then that what we see on for that side for US as how we their own people them where they call them say CDC, their own CDC, when a disease control, the Center for Disease Control, sorry. Now you don't talk this big dongabe and we say we talk we say now fine thing and I pray say me all thing that's all it push now only before so far as they get good mind and all thing it come on I forgot it hard. Country people now so we see international news them today. But before we go again, they talk other strong number therefore we table. I want to tell you now about those with better platform that they call and say connect you. Every day I talk about them, country people they only look me like a film and I advise all una make sure say una try sign up to this platform so that una go fit enjoy the better thing the way miss except I they enjoy them like person way they use social media. For person way not know this platform, this my country people them, may they tell una some more about this platform.